What the fudge is up, y'all? It's your girl, Jessica. We're back, y'all, with another mukbang. But before we get anything started, y'all know what to do. Let's go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you can. Leave some comments throughout the video. Turn on that notification bell. Hit that like button if you like it. You know, all that fun stuff we got to get through in the beginning of the video. So it's really warm in my house, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm a little like kind of sweaty, but we got a battle of the subs pretty much. I really like Jersey Mike's, and there's also Ike's sandwiches. So I wanted to try these two out because your girl does not like Subway. Like, Subway is so 2000s. Like, can we just cancel Subway altogether? I can't with them, with their yoga mat bread and all that fun stuff that's been in the news. So yeah, Jersey Mike's is, I believe, from New Jersey, and then we have Ike's. I don't know what's up with that one, but there's like 800 different sandwich combinations that you could choose from at Ike's, which is pretty freaking cool. And Jersey Mike's just is like super classic subs, you know, meats, cheeses, veggies, vinegar, oil, seasoning, all that good stuff. But I just kind of wanted to give you guys a little a view of what they look like inside. So let's cut to Ike's and Jersey Mike's real quick.
Yo, it's just the bigger flow, flowing just like I'm Tigolo. Little brother status, the realest, just like a Figaro. We could keep it going and flowing, but see, I'm realer though. Shorty like I'm sickly, you get me, I got the illa flow. It's like I'm Jay-Z, crazy, never play me. Wake up in the morning and yawning just like it's Sway B. The flow be crazy, maybe, y'all be lazy. Something for the movies, invincible like it's Patrick Swayze. I get ghost on them, they put the toast on them. Instead he roasting, boasting, never coasting. Case Sparks and Fabrice on the beat. To say the least, it's no defeat. They just.
All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little snippet that I took. Just showed you guys inside Jersey Mike's, how they make the sandwiches, inside of Ike's, and how they make the sandwiches as well. So I used to love Quiznos, but like Quiznos is slowly, like, they're just gone. Like, the Quiznos that used to be in my city got replaced by Ike's. So I think all of their sandwiches are pretty much like warm, I think. I'm not sure. But I also got this Shirley Temple from Ike's, and then I got a ginger ale. I was hoping at least one of these places would have Coca-Cola, but it's a Pepsi company, so they only have like Pepsi and Dr. Pepper and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the Shirley Temple world famous handcrafted soft drinks. Ooh, that's really fizzy. Okay, that did the job. Interesting. Okay, and then I also got these chips, Creole onion Zapp's potato chips. All right, I don't know what's going on with this setup. I'm sorry, y'all. Like, y'all can just like barely see my face. But this is my first meal of the day, and let's go ahead and get to it. So, Jersey Mike's. Y'all, I'm like losing my voice. I've had such bad allergies, and it's not the vid. It's not the vid, because I could still taste everything and I could still smell everything. My allergies fucking suck. So I think this is the club sub. I'm not sure. It has turkey, ham, provolone, bacon, and then it has mayo, tomato, onion, lettuce, salt, pepper, and vinegar and oil. So this one, I'm excited for this one. They have like 3 options you could get. You could get like a mini sandwich, which is the one that I got. You get a 6-inch, I think. I don't know if that's a 6. No, I don't know. But there's like 3 different options you could get at Ike's. It was just the one size or a child size, and so that was kind of rude. Let me put this paper so I don't drop anything while I'm eating. Let's go ahead and take this bite. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo. This is so fucking good. I like cold sandwiches. Oh. They put a lot of vinegar and oil on the sandwich. You'll see it. You saw it in the video. So my bread is kind of soggy. My bread is kind of soggy, but it's so good. It's so good. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so fucking good. You know, I'm not a fan of kettle chips. I really am not. I don't know what it is about the taste, but I don't like them. But these are good. Oh my god, man. This is so fucking amazing. And maybe it's because it's my first meal of the day. But holy moly. If you guys like Jersey Mike's, hit that like button. If you like have a different Subway or sub place that you like, let me know in the comments below. Out here in the Bay Area, we have like Ike's, Jersey Mike's, Subway, we have Togo's, we have Quiznos, Mr. Pickles is another one. I don't really care for their sandwiches. They're like whatever. This is really carbonated, but it tastes like super cherry. That was a fucking good one. Okay, I'm gonna finish this half of this sandwich. It's so good. This is called, I think it's a club sub, but they also go by numbers. This is a number 8. If you're gonna go to Jersey Mike's, get this fucking sandwich, yo. Wash it down. Let's have some ginger ale with that. Their ginger ale is not carbonated enough. Whew. Okay. Let's try this Ike's one. It's a warmer sandwich. This is called the Menage a Trois. It has chicken. It's halal chicken. Lettuce, tomato, onions, pepperoncinis, pickles. Oh man, and there's like a bunch of sauces on it. There's honey, barbecue, And then honey mustard, I think. I don't know, but this, like, y'all see that? Okay. Oh, try to force that one out. That one sounded weird. All right, let's get this sandwich out. Come on. Oh, come on. All right. Oh, I can't see it. And now you can only just see my face. Okay. Ah, get out of the fucking packaging, you fuck. All right, let's check this one out. Wow. Oh, wow. Wow, dude. Yo. Oh, man, I don't know. I'm stuck. These are two really good fucking sandwiches. Holy moly. Okay, so I mean, the main difference between these is like it's a cold sandwich and a hot sandwich. Oh my god. Oh, it's really juicy too. Like both of these sandwiches are like making my hands all wet. Oh. Excuse me. Wow. That's these. Okay, I can't choose. I can't choose. I was gonna do a battle of sandwiches, and I really thought that Jersey Mike's was gonna win, but these are both really good fucking sandwiches. There's a sandwich at Ike's that, or actually at Ike's, you can put onion rings, you could put mozzarella cheese sticks, you could put fried chicken, you could put jalapeno poppers in any of your sandwiches for an added fee. But yeah, okay. That was a little one. Wow, dude. I'm like flabbergasted right now at how good these fucking sandwiches are. Like, I don't even know how Subway is still in business. Like, honestly, like, how is Subway even still thriving? There's something going on secretly about that, because Subway is not that good, y'all. I mean, these sound like this. The Ike sandwich was like $12, $12.11, I think it was. And then this sandwich was $7.55, and it was pretty small. I keep on spitting everywhere. So I think you just have to make your own decision. Like I like cold sandwiches. They're really refreshing. They do put a lot of vinegar and oil on the sandwich, but I think that just makes sandwiches so much better. And then at Ike's, it's like you can really just customize. They have vegetarian options. They have like fake meats, plant-based meats, Franken meats, I guess. For me, if I eat meat, I'm just gonna eat meat. I'm not gonna eat a meat that's made in a lab. I used to be all about Impossible and Beyond stuff, but I'm just like, I thought about it and I'm like, why am I eating stuff that's made in a lab? I don't know. That's just me. But, what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to be eating like half of my food for YouTube, and then I'm going to go live on TikTok and eat the rest of my food. It just works that way. So I'm going to take another bite of this sandwich because it is really good. Oh, it's sheesh. Yo. This is so good. It's so good. Oh, God. There's just so many flavors going on in each sandwich. They both have so many flavors. Like, it's hella juice. Like, it's leaking. She leaking. amazing. Another bite. I'm scaring my dog. Oh my God, y'all. So good. So good. I can't choose. I'm so upset that I can't choose because I really thought Jersey Mike's was gonna take the trophy on this one, but these are really good sandwiches. Anyways, if you guys want to see like a longer video and stuff, let me know in the comments below. But I'm gonna try to keep these a little shorter than I usually do. It takes forever to try to edit this and then get it on YouTube. Excuse me. I actually like got banned from commenting on TikTok, so I can still post content. I just can't comment, but it's fine because your girl be commenting some stupid shit sometimes, and I get hella triggered and resentful of online people, and that just makes no fucking sense. So yeah, this was okay. This Shirley Temple, I honestly would just prefer Sprite and some like strawberry cherry syrup or something. This was like really cherry, but it actually worked really well with the burping. So oh man, I'm like super congested and like I sound all weird and shit, but anyways, I hope everyone is having a great week. And again, if you guys want to see something specific to eat, let me know in the comments below. You can also hit me up on Instagram at TheFoodBrat _ under thingy, and then on TikTok at TheFoodBrat. You can also find me on Facebook at TheFoodBrat, and then my YouTube is TheFoodBrat. And you can also go on TheFoodBrat.com. So pretty much like that is my brand now. Like I am the food brat. I'm a fucking brat and I like food. It just fits. So with that, y'all, I guess I'm gonna end this video and go eat some food on my TikTok-y. So I'll finish this one with y'all. It really is like really cherry, full of cherry. Yeah, this one actually is gonna be a long video. I'm realizing we're at 15 minutes already. I wish I could have done that turning thingy that people be doing on TikTok. What else can I talk about really quick before I close this out? I'm sober again. So today it marks like 22 days sober, and I stopped smoking weed almost 2 weeks ago now, or no, 23 days and 13 days with no weed. So yeah, it's going good. Like shit's awesome. Like I actually feel a lot more clear-headed than before. And I've been recently getting my appetite back because after you stop smoking weed, like your appetite's gone and all this crazy stuff happens. But excuse me. Yeah, that is a good I think it's just the glass bottle and how it's like you know, I'm like, this is in fountain drink. Oh my God, they're in there. Anyways, I love you guys. I hope you guys have a great week, rest of your week, and I'll see you guys back here next Tuesday like we usually do. And if you haven't subscribed, y'all, and you like this video, hit that hit the subscribe button and comment below, like my video. Let's get me to 1,000 subs, y'all, because I'm almost there. Thank you. Anyways, I'm out of here. I love you. Hope you have a good week, and we'll see you back here, or I will, because I don't know why I keep on saying we'll. I'll see you back here on Tuesday. All right, y'all.